You guys see how small of a man I am? What I'm sitting in? What my budget is? What my intellect is? What my compassion is? What my devotion is? How I am as father to some degree? Do you see any of that stuff? Talk about my commitments and stuff? A quest. This is a quest for me. Nobody has stopped me. My family tried to stop me. I had to explain to them, it's a quest. Some of them have kicked me out of their lives because I'm doing a quest. I've saved the 5 most important people by enlightening them. And they kind of get some information now, and they're much more okay. Do they agree with me? No, because there's danger, a lot of danger. And that danger I recognize for everybody. I don't just recognize that I can fucking disappear today. Disappear, and you guys end up getting none of the information because I didn't explain it adequately for you to carry on the research. And the thing is, you don't even have to carry on the research. You just can get right involved today. That's how heavy it is. That's how much knowledge is in my channel now. And I get nothing but the middle finger flipped at me. And whoever's doing that can go to frickin' hell. I don't care. I'm not doing it then for you. I don't know. But if you go to my first face-to-face video, at around 2 minutes, you get to see a flash of light in a being's eye. Okay? Light, energy, glowing phenomena. Then you go over to my playlist, look up the one Iranian attack video, and you'll see the most significant glowing phenomena that has ever happened. Do something with it. Share